students can create assignments where they record either their voice or they can record a video. There's not actually a lot that you have to do. Here I am logged in as a teacher right now, and this is a pretty standard assignment. It has some directions on there. If I go into edit, I have all my assignment information there. You can see it's got a category, it's got a grade scale, so if you wanted to put a rubric or if you just wanted to be a numerical grade, you can put that on there. These buttons are turned on by default, submissions enabled, and published to students. You don't have to do anything, those are already turned on. And then you can also, that's turned on by default, comments enabled. It allows students to ask questions right there on the assignment. So that's created and ready to go. Now over here on the student view, however, this is a student site here. I'm signed in as a sample student. He's on that homework number 1 that I showed. And I'm going to go to resubmit assignment because I've already done this for practice. And the student, on the student view, they have these options here where they can upload a file or they can upload a audio or video recording. If they do the create button here, they can go insert and they can insert whatever information or they can type in information. The resources button lets them pull in something that might already be saved in their resources. But if you're wanting to do an audio or video recording, that's in the upload section. And you're going to click on the little microphone icon. This is both on the phone and on computers, Chromebooks. This is all there. So when you click on it, it lets you do audio or a video upload. I'm going to do an audio upload here. And it just gives me this little thing. I have to tell it, yes, I'm good. You can use it. And I press record to start, and then it connects, and it lets me record it, and you can see that I get a nice little oscilloscope look there with the little lines going up and down. And then when I'm done, I press done and press insert. As a student, I can add a comment, okay, and I submit. There's nothing I have to do special on the teacher end. That's all on the student end. And a lot of students are able to figure that one out pretty quickly. It's a similar flow on the phone, on the mobile devices. This can also work, and I'm back on my teacher view here. This can also work in a discussion. So I've got a video discussion here, and I've got a rubric attached to it. It's a pretty standard assignment. And then you can see that I've had Dan Little actually upload a little video to this assignment, and it's the same thing here. So somebody can write a comment, and there's that microphone icon again, and they're going to click on that, and they can do the audio and video recording. So you can just sit with a student and see that and walk them through that, and they're pretty adept at figuring that out in general, and then kind of just let students show each other how to do that. The assignments, just once again, are pretty standard assignments that I create from out here in my materials page. Add materials, and you can see there is assignment, and there's discussion board, and those are the things that I showed you how to, that I showed where students are actually uploading things. So that's how students can upload audio recordings or video recordings to Schoology for you to check out, collect, grade, assess, everything else. Hope that helps.